Hello, I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on how to upload your videos onto discussion board, or if I say upload videos for a homework assignment, either on discussion board or usually it's discussion board. So go to my courses, pretty much just go to Blackboard, however you can. And I'll go to here. Let me get my global music. This class right here. We'll try global music. You go to discussion board. I'm going to just put something here. I'll click on discussion board. This isn't the right answer right here, but you go to create thread. I'm going to go video, put a title there, subject video, what do you call it? Video uploading. Click down here. You go to mashups. You click onto YouTube video. Here's the YouTube video, came up over here. Let me make it smaller so you can see. You can click in your name or a title or whatever. You can either copy and paste from YouTube particularly, or you can just search a title. Usually I copy and paste, but I'll just search, I'll say Sona Jabarte just because Jabarte. You can search by title or by person, by whatever, and then you say go, and then I would just say, I'm just going to pick this one. I'll pick select. And then you scroll down, put submit. If you want it, well, sometimes I say something about it, so you can click your, see here's the video right there, right? So go under or above, and you write your description here, or whatever you have to say about it. Description. Input here, and then you can delete that. That was a mistake. Then you come back over here, you scroll down. You can always just attach a file here too with Browse my computer, but not YouTube files. So if I say upload a paper or something like that, you browse my computer and attach a file. But all I did was wanted to show you how to do the mashups on YouTube. Press submit, and then voila, it's right there, published. Okay, the end.